So this is Iba by Nathaniel, Bassey and Dunsin Oyekan. All right. So this is the guitar intro for the Iba song. So it is do ti la so la so mi re do la. Then now you strum the A minor. Then you do this hammering on, okay, hammer on the C. Then okay, so you play backwards. First you play downwards, and then after the hammer on, then you play upwards. Then you come to So or the G. That one too you play upwards. Out of the 4 notes that you've pressed, you only play 3 notes. So G, D, and then the B. Then you go to A minor. So the progression for the song is D minor, A minor, and then an E minor. Very solemn, okay? Alright, so back to the intro again. Alright. Kindly subscribe for more and like and comment. If you want any song, if you want to learn a guitar in your favorite song, you can let me know and I'll try my best.